Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the daily time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the daily, we can see that gold currently bearish. If we look at the overall picture from this daily resistance, we have seen that gold has triggered liquidity here, broken this significant level of resistance, and had a strong rejection with this strong impulse. And from that zone, we saw that again the buyers tried to break this high. Instead, we saw that the price created a lower high, and from that zone, gold had a rejection. Now, with this rejection from the daily, we have seen another bearish engulfer, and with this bearish engulfer, in fact, gold has broken this swing low, which is important liquidity zone. And from that zone again the buyers try to break this high, so we see that the price every time the buyers trying to break this high, creating series of lower high, which is a sign of potential drop. And as a result, we have seen gold had broken this complete support level, followed by during the NFP a pullback and retest of this support here as a resistance, created a lower high, and followed by back to back 2 days of a strong drop and broken out of this level. Currently today we have seen that once the market opened, the bulls tried to break this high to the upside. From the daily perspective, we have seen that gold tested this daily support as a resistance, and we see the price is rejecting again from that zone. Now as you can see, this is the daily candle, and the price is approaching this daily support level. What I think that gold initially we could see a retest of this daily support, and even we can expect gold to break towards the downside. As we see that in the left, this is a long wick doji here, back to back two daily candle had a very strong bullish momentum. This zone has not been tested by a seller, so you could see that the price is breaking down to create a new lower low or to fill that imbalance in that zone. From the daily perspective, we can expect gold to come down. Now if we look at intraday perspective from 4 hour time frame, we see that gold has formed a head and shoulder here during this NFP. This is a fake move, complete break to the upside, but followed by lower high with this doji. On the market opening first day of trading week, we saw that the bulls failed to create a higher high. Instead, from that zone we saw that gold again has come back to this pattern. From this pattern we have seen that the price had a breakdown. Again we see a retest of this support level here as a resistance, and below this 20 ma the price now rejecting. Now with that rejection, as we see that this market is creating series of lower high, we can expect gold come back down to create a new lower low. Now as you can see, this is a strong drop correction retest, and what we could see that gold is coming down from this level, breaking down. As we see, there is an imbalance in that zone and the market is trending, and we can expect the price to come down to fill that imbalance. What I think that in the first move we can expect gold to come back to 1912 level, which is a very high probability to drop. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how gold is evolving. Now in this time frame we can see that there is a daily, this red candle is a middleman, which is a manipulation on both sides, gathered liquidity, followed by next one is a weaker response from the buyers, and we see that the price currently has broken out of this level to, we could see that now slowly coming down in that zone. Now looking at further lower time frame on the 5 minutes chart, we see that there is a strong head and shoulder formation. There's a head here with a long candle, which is in fact a very strong liquidity grab, left shoulder and right shoulder in that zone, which is a sign of potential change of local uptrend to a local downtrend, which is merging with the local downtrend with the daily trend, and we can expect now gold to come back down to create a new lower low. As we are running in that zone, a successful sell trade, we will be waiting for another entry. We are waiting for another pull back to the upside, especially breaking this swing high. If we see that gold again has broken 1929 level, will give us another sell entry opportunity. So as soon as we will find another opportunity on gold, we will consider going short with a target one at 1924.70 and holding the rest for bigger profit target. So as soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.